Injunction denied. Samuel Palmer will not be allowed to participate in VHSL sports. A few months ago, the Palmer family sued the state of Virginia in federal court for their son Samuel to be allowed to participate in high school track and field. Even though Samuel's a homeschool student, he was allowed to participate in the middle school track team for his local public school. Because the high school participates in the Virginia High School League of Sports, Samuel was not going to be allowed to continue playing with the high school track and field team unless he enrolled in public school. In the suit, the Palmer family cites the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause, Virginia Constitution Article 1, Section 16 for religious free exercise, and the Virginia Religious Freedom Restoration Act. In short, they say because they opted to homeschool Samuel for religious reasons, being disbarred from VHSL sports violates religious freedoms for their family. Now, they filed this on March 30th, asked the judge for an injunction so Sam would be allowed to play in the meantime while the case was ongoing. On May 27th, District Judge Elizabeth K. Dillon ruled against the injunction and found legitimate government interests in the VHSL policy. In short, they say there is a logistical issue because the VHSL ranks schools based off of number of students enrolled, not number of students living in their districts, and there's not enrollment-based funding for these activities. Now, this was filed in federal court, so there's no expedited process for them. Unless there's some kind of settlement, it's unlikely we'll see progress before the fall or spring. It could be near the end of 2027 before this actually makes it to trial if it goes that far. This still is a landmark opportunity for homeschoolers in Virginia in pursuit of what's called Tim Tebow laws. So because sports participation is one of the few things keeping people from taking the leap into homeschooling, the ruling in this case could fundamentally change the public schools in Virginia.